The Korean team of Shim Suk-hee, Park Seung-hi, Cho Hae-ri, and Kim Ah-rang won the gold medal in the women's 3,000 relay short track in Sochi.
소치 동계올림픽 쇼트트랙 여자 3,000m 계주에서 심석희, 박승희, 조혜리 그리고 김아랑선수로 구성된 우리 대표팀이 금메달을 목에 걸었습니다.
The Education, Culture, Sports, and Tourism Committee of the National Assembly passed the Public Education Normalization, Expedition, and Curriculum Acceleration Regulation Special Law, which forbids the learning of advanced materials before the recommended age.
국회 교육문화체육관광위원회는 선행학습을 금지하는 내용의 공교육 정상화 촉진 선행교육 규제 특별법을 통과시켰습니다.
In an update to the collapse of the gymnasium at the Mauna Ocean resort, police have begun an investigation that will cover the whole gamut from construction to maintenance.
경찰이 마우나오션리조트 체육관 붕괴사건과 관련 시공에서 관리를 아우르는 전반적인 수사에 들어갔습니다.
The Islamic extremist group Ansar Beit al-Maqdis claimed responsibility for the suicide bombing of a Korean tour group bus in the Sinai Peninsula in Egypt.
이슬람 극단주의 단체 안사르 베이트 알마크디스가 시나이 반도 한국인 관광버스 자살 폭탄 테러는 자신들이 저질렀다고 밝혔습니다.
The Ministry of Unification announced that South Korean participants of the upcoming family reunions will gather at the Hanwha Resort in Sokcho, Gangwon Province by 2 p.m. today.
통일부는 남측 이산가족 상봉 대상자들이 19일 오후 2시까지 강원도 속초에 있는 한화 콘도에 집결한다고 밝혔습니다.
A local museum in Seoul has decided to invite patrons to explore its exhibits in a couple of ways that are out of the ordinary. From now until March 29th, the Art Sunjae Center will be open at night and will feature exhibits in peculiar places like utility rooms and even the roof. Nevertheless, visitors have not been given carte blanche to do as they please. They must still obey the museum rules. If you've been feeling a little down in the mouth lately, here's a story to help lift your spirits. A 55-year-old unemployed homeless man in Hungary recently became one of the country's biggest lottery winners after spending his last remaining coins on a ticket. The spur-of-the-moment decision netted the man a cool $3 million.